Namaskar. Cholesterol has become a silent killer nowadays because it is a big cause for cardiovascular diseases like heart attacks, strokes, and peripheral artery diseases. You see, not all cholesterol is bad. In fact, cholesterol makes the body make vitamin D, cell membrane, and many hormones. The problem really starts when we have too much of LDL or bad cholesterol, high triglyceride, low level of HDL or good cholesterol. While medicines for cholesterol are available, but let me teach you to use 6 natural plants to fight cholesterol. First, we have the powerful Moringa leaves. Moringa leaves is full of antioxidants and compounds that may help reduce LDL or bad cholesterol level. Even studies say that Moringa leaves can improve lipid profile thanks to its high fiber contents and plant sterols. All you have to do is boil a cup of water and then add Moringa leaf powder to it, stir well and drink half an hour before biggest meal of your day. Next, let's talk about a common coriander leaf or dhania patta. It is not only great for garnishing, but it's a powerful food for cholesterol management. Coriander has compounds that enhances bile acid secretion, which helps reduce cholesterol level. You can simply blend a bunch of dhania patta in water and make a juice. Or you can make a nice smoothie by adding apples, cucumber, ginger and dhania patta. This smoothie is very good to get a clear skin and also detox your body overall. Third, we have the Holi Tulsi. Tulsi is revered in Ayurveda for its many health benefits, including its ability to manage cholesterol level. Its eugenol content can reduce stress, which indirectly supports heart health. Its antioxidants can help your body fight against oxidative stress. All you have to do is boil water, then switch off the flame, add a few tulsi leaves and close the lid. Sip on tulsi tea daily before sleeping. Next, we have the humble lauki, dudi or bottle gold. What you have to do is blend 1/2 or 1/4 of lauki with some ginger and jeera seeds to a smoothie. Drink this on an empty stomach daily. This will help not only with your cholesterol but also with your metabolism and weight management. My 5th recommendation is fenugreek leaves or seeds, methi seeds. Fenugreek is rich in soluble fiber, which helps prevent cholesterol absorption in the intestine. Studies also suggest that it is effective in lowering total and LDL cholesterol while boosting up HDL, the good cholesterol. You can add fenugreek leaves to curry or soak the seeds overnight and consume them in the morning on an empty stomach. Last but definitely not the least is wheatgrass. Wheatgrass supports liver health and the liver. It plays a big role in cholesterol management. All you have to do is take a handful of wheatgrass and blend it to a smoothie with water. Have this on an empty stomach every morning. So, these are the 6 plant leaves and herbs to help you naturally lower cholesterol. Adding these to your meals is an organic and natural ways to help you combat your cholesterol problems. Namaskar.